So today I'm going to be making this rice. We can call it Arab rice, we can call it Middle Eastern rice. It's kind of a flavoured, beautiful rice with some cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, onions, garlic, and saffron. Really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Way. Okay, let's get started on this. Really quite simple. So, rice, basmati rice. What I like to do is go 3 cups, or one cup of rice to a cup of water. So 3 cups, 6 cups. Now, rice, not all rice is equal. Invest in your rice. Buy cheap, buy twice, as we say. 1 onion sliced. Here I've got a teaspoon of thyme, chili powder, coriander powder, and black lemon powder. Let me just show you that. That's black lemon powder. Now you can get it in a whole form, like a whole dried black lemon. You can use that if you want. Here I've got some saffron or saffron. We're going to add that in there. Tablespoon of garlic, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. Here, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, green cardamom, cloves. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the green cardamom, maybe a couple of teaspoons of black peppercorns, and maybe, 7 or 8 cloves there. This is really easy. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. So in the same pot we're going to cook the rice in, I've got some olive oil, and we're going to drop in that cinnamon, the black peppercorns, the green cardamom, and the cloves. Let me turn the heat up on this. We're then going to drop in our onion. I've just put the heat on that, that's why it's not going crazy. Salt and pepper. And our garlic. Maybe a little bit of nutmeg in here might be nice. Something like that could be really good in here. Okay, we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes on and above medium heat, stirring often. Beautiful, lovely aromas there. Okay, let's get in our dry spices. There's 4 of them there. Let's take one more look. So about a teaspoon each of the black lime or black lemon, chili, thyme, and coriander. If you wanted, you could maybe pop in a bit of cumin. Great stuff. We're now going to get in our rice, which I've washed a couple of times. So that's 3 cups of rice, which means we're going to add 6 cups of water. In that goes now. And to that we've got our saffron or saffron, which I've just put in a little bit of water for a few minutes just to steep it in there. And that's it. So what I want to do now is I want to bring this to the boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to put a lid on it. I'm going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer, and I'm going to let it go, and it should absorb all that water because we've gone that 2 to 1 with the rice and the water. Simple. Okay, so just as it comes to the boil, we're going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer, lids on. Might be, depending on the type of rice you use, but it might be 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Just get some steam out of there for you. And that's it. You've got a beautiful, beautiful rice there. Now, if you want, you can just leave that for a few minutes and let it steam out. I like it just like that, actually. Just like this. Lovely and moist. Beautiful stuff. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. I love this rice. Let me just give it a little taste. Wow. Perfectly cooked. Saffron or saffron is perfect in there. All those spices, lovely. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.